Hey YouTube, it is Thursday, the 19th day of August, 2021 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And can you guess where we're at? As you can see at the bottom of that sign, we're at Walnut Grove, Minnesota. So I thought I'd just take a few things here at this place. You can see they got this depot building here and a little church building looking thing there. See, it's not too much here to see, honestly. And then they've got this visitor center right here. I'll step out here to get the whole thing so you can see the name of it. Yeah, right there, hopefully. And then, if you look up there at that water tower, that says Walnut Grove. And so, it's about all there is to see, really. I don't think there's much more. Alright, so just get this little church building here from a little closer. This split rail fence here, and you can see it from the side. Alright, so we're going to head downtown and take a look at that real quick. Alright, you see a sign up here that says, "Welcome to Walnut Grove, childhood home of Laura Ingalls Wilder." They sell washers and dryers and things in there. Great big tires I think Laura used to play with as a kid. And you know, she probably used to drive that when they used to farm. Down through here, you're pretty much looking at the town. There's a park over here. They do have one tennis court, actually. Pretty decent looking playground. Little wagon over there, and then you see all the flags blowing in the wind over there. It's quite windy. And then there's this old dilapidated building here. Schmidt Beer, Legion Post 267. So we're on this only other block of town. See that building over there, Walnut Grove Bar and Grill there. Right here is NACMA's agency, it's insurance. And then a little building over there says Stone Edge. And the one next to it is kind of marbly looking. Doesn't have a name, so I guess it's empty. Hair company next to that. And the next thing to that is empty. And then the other thing says Bubai Foods down there on the corner. B-U-B-A-I Foods is the best I can make it out. I would assume. And this is Plum Creek Cabinets and Construction. And down here, you can see they actually have a old phone booth here, but it looks like the phone is completely gone. But we'll take a look at it anyway. Yeah, phone's gone. The door is on it. They got the place for the, whoa, there's some wasps hanging out in there. See, I was going to go in and close the door, but yeah, I'm not going to go in there with those guys. All right, then there's Arvig.
Little free library.
Okay, yeah. Little free library right there. This is Hanson Agri Commodities, John Stewart and Associates. This is the post office right here. So, here, let's get that from out here. As you can see right up there, to make sure I'm not lying, the United States Post Office, Walnut Grove, Minnesota 56180. So here, just to prove that I was here, there you go. That's it. There's that Bubai Foods over there. And then, there's just this building. It says First State Bank 1903. That's what that says up there. So you can see what that looks like. They got Integrity Bank Plus over there. It's a little newer. Alright, and then we'll just go down this way a little bit, because there's not really nothing else to show. Alright, so on the side of this Bubai Food, they've got this mural. Goes the whole length of the building. So it's an absolutely huge mural. We can end it close with the flowers. And there you go. And then just looking down this street, it's just residential. And that's it. Alright, so I'll see if I can find anything else to share. All right, so right down the street from the downtown section, we have this Fond Memories at the Creamery. This over here says AD 1930 Artstone, and it's got the Creamery board members. Look at the colors here. Let me get you close in case you can't see that. Look at the colors of these bricks. All of this looks like that. You gotta admit, that's pretty cool. Gifts and specialty foods is what it says that it is. They're closed Mondays and Tuesdays and Sundays. Paper and rubber stamps. Got nice flowers there. Got them old milk jugs there, which at a creamery would make sense. Oh man, that sun. There we go. Hopefully you can read that. It says Walnut Grove Creamery Association. And that says open there, actually. And they got a sign that says open. And yeah, that sun is just killer. There's the whole building right there. All right, so I'm not sure what else there is to see, so we'll find out. Okay, so this is that building I showed you. It used to be a bank. Look at all this, these vines on it here. All this, I guess it's ivy. I mean, this is a true ton. Here, I'll show you how much. I'll stand right here so you can see. I mean, it goes like that, and then it's all the way up there. So this is an absolute awful lot. All right, so if you see this place, we actually ate here, and just this little, pretty nondescript building, really. But if you can read up there and see, that says Nellie's Little Cafe on the Prairie, home-style cooking. So that's what the sign says. I've taken some pictures on the inside. I'll try to attach maybe a few of those to the video just so you can see that. But that's the building, and this is where we ate at. So if you come through Walnut Grove, it's honestly about the only place here to eat that I've seen. So that's your choice. All right, so you can see the sign right here, hopefully. And this will be the famous Plum Creek just outside of Walnut Grove. And we'll take a look at it, and it's tiny. So let's take a look at this side of it. And like I said, you can see it is tiny. And I have to admit too, I'm not seeing any plums. So there it is down there. I'd say in places it might be a foot or so deep, maybe. Maybe in the middle there, maybe a little more, foot and a half or so. I don't know. But this will be Plum Creek. So just so you know, here, I will get you the other side of the road very, very quickly, so we can see if it's any different or any better, any worse. Let's see. Right there it is. It looks pretty much the same. There goes a bird flying. As you can see, that's Plum Creek. So now you've seen that too. All right, let's go do something else. And here we are at Walnut Grove. We actually made it. So you can see it says, "Welcome to Walnut Grove, established 1879. Childhood home of Laura Ingalls Wilder." So obviously the most famous person here. Down there's a little bit of the town. You can, here, let me, yeah, I can get it all just like that. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy that.